Welcome to Suddhadvait. Today we are celebrating Kite Festival, and as we discussed about the purpose of life, that purpose of life is to grow high in our path of grace and gain eternal happiness. Like we see in this festival, we have to tackle our kite to make its position stable. So to be stable in our life, we have to tackle it by just pulling it and let it go. So it's the art of flying. So like art of flying, we have to learn the art of living, and our Purvacharya Sri Mahaprabhuji, Sri Gusainji Prabhu Charan, Sri Harirai Prabhu Charan, Purushottam Charan, they taught us in their literature that how to live this life in this material world without getting disturbed by ups and downs of our lives, and uh, be stable in our life of devotion and happiness or sadness, anything, either kite goes down or goes up, just we have to tackle it like this, and with the blissful name of Sri Krishna and blissful devotional service of Sri Krishna, and that's by that way we can live happy, like we hear in movies that and they live happily ever after. So we live happily ever after with our beloved Prabhu, our beloved God Sri Krishna, and that's the way of life. Pushtimargiya shows us that how to live life, like we when we get lots of happiness, we fly in the sky, and when there are some bad things happens in our life, some sorrow comes, then we just go down and down, some gets in depression. So the way of life is to balance the system of ahamta mamta, our I-ness and my-ness. By devotional service, when we connect our I-ness and my-ness with beloved Prabhu Shri Krishna, then this happiness or sadness will not affect in our devotional service or in the path we are following of our acharyas. Mahajano yena gata sapantha, Shastra says. So the path showed to us by our Purvacharyas is the right path to gain that eternal happiness. And like kite, we are saying there are kites flying, and I am also flying one, and I have to tackle it now. So like kite, we just go up and up in our devotional life. May Sri Mahaprabhuji, Sri Gusainji bless us, and we get stronger and stronger in a path of grace. Shri Vallabha Desh Ki Jai.